Enyecontrols system, carbon monoxide, and temperature control and monitoring system. The area is divided into zones, which have one Enyecontrols carbon monoxide and temperature sensors each and transfer fans. Exhaust and supply fan are installed to maintain proper ventilation and to displace CO concentration and hot temperature. The system shall monitor the presence of carbon monoxide concentration in parts per million and temperature degrees Celsius for each coverage. Initially, the system shall have a CO set point ranging to 35 ppm and 30 degrees Celsius for temperature. Can be overridden or adjusted through the Enyecontrols controller. Once the set points are reached by the carbon monoxide sensors and temperature sensor, the Enyecontrols controller shall run the transfer fan that is in the coverage. Upon the detection and 15 seconds of operation of the transfer fans, the Enyecontrols controller shall energize the supply fan. Upon the operation of support fan, the Enyecontrols controller shall energize the exhaust fan after 15 seconds, thus making a complete loop of ventilation and avoidance of peak power amplitude. After reaching the cutoff level of carbon monoxide sensor 35 parts per million, the Enyecontrols controller shall de-energize the interlocking fans such as the transfer fan, supply fan and exhaust fan. The Enyecontrols controller will monitor and display all received data, processes it to necessary actions. In the event that carbon monoxide sensor detects concentration of carbon monoxide gas within the area of coverage or the temperature set points are reached, it will transmit a signal to Enyecontrols controller. The controller now decides whenever to turn on or turn off the controlled fans, and it also depends on what the set point is. If the signal received by the Enyecontrols controller from the carbon monoxide and temperature sensor is much higher than the declared set point, then controller will activate the jet fan, exhaust fans, supply fans which is neared to the activated carbon monoxide and temperature sensor. The specific function of the system is to provide comfort and enhance health safety in the enclosed basement parking by controlling and monitoring the carbon monoxide level and room temperature.
Schedule a presentation with us by contacting or directly message us on our social media channels. Enyecontrols, committed to be our business partner of choice.